Welcome to Coco Dreams. Cheapest countries to travel, a guide to budget-friendly destinations. Traveling can be expensive, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Plenty of budget-friendly destinations around the world offer a unique and memorable travel experience. Here are 10 of the cheapest countries to travel. Vietnam. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country that offers a rich culture, delicious food, and stunning landscapes at a fraction of the cost of other popular destinations. Whether you want to explore the bustling city of Ho Chi Minh, take a cooking class, or relax on the beach, you can do it all for a reasonable price in Vietnam. Cambodia. Cambodia is another Southeast Asian country that is often overlooked by travelers, but it is a budget-friendly destination that offers a rich cultural experience. From exploring the ancient temples of Angkor Wat to relaxing on the beach in Sihanoukville, Cambodia is a great option for travelers on a budget. India. India is a massive country that offers a wealth of experiences, from the bustling streets of Delhi to the tranquil backwaters of Kerala. Whether you want to sample street food, visit palaces and forts, or relax in an ashram, you can do it all for a low cost in India. Nepal. Nepal is a small Himalayan country that is known for its stunning mountain scenery and rich cultural heritage. Whether you want to go trekking, visit ancient temples, or simply soak in the beauty of the Himalayas, Nepal is a budget-friendly destination that is perfect for travelers who love the outdoors. Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelago of over 17,000 islands that offers a diverse range of experiences, from the bustling cities of Java to the tranquil beaches of Bali. Whether you want to go diving, visit temples and palaces, or simply relax on the beach, you can do it all for a reasonable price in Indonesia. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a small island nation that is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning scenery, and delicious food. Whether you want to explore ancient temples, take a scenic train journey, or simply relax on the beach, you can do it all for a low cost in Sri Lanka. Laos. Laos is a landlocked country in Southeast Asia that is known for its relaxed pace of life and stunning landscapes. Whether you want to visit temples and monasteries, go trekking, or simply relax on the banks of the Mekong River, you can do it all for a low cost in Laos. Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country in the Horn of Africa that is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and delicious food. Whether you want to visit ancient ruins, go trekking in the Simien Mountains, or simply relax and soak in the culture, you can do it all for a low cost in Ethiopia. Mexico. Mexico is a large country that is known for its rich culture, delicious food, and stunning beaches. Whether you want to explore ancient ruins, sample street food, or simply relax on the beach, you can do it all for a low cost in Mexico. Guatemala. Guatemala is a Central American country that is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning scenery, and delicious food. Whether you want to visit ancient ruins, go trekking in the mountains, or simply relax in a small village, you can do it all for a low cost in Guatemala. When traveling to these countries, it is important to be mindful of your budget. Accommodations, such as homestays, guest houses, or hostels, can often be found for a low cost. Public transportation is also readily available in most of these countries, making it easy to get around without spending a lot of money. Eating out is also affordable, with street food and local restaurants serving up delicious meals at a fraction of the cost of eating in more developed countries. For those looking for a budget-friendly travel experience, these countries offer a range of activities and experiences to suit any traveler's needs. From exploring ancient temples and ruins to relaxing on pristine beaches and immersing yourself in local culture, these destinations offer a memorable travel experience without breaking the bank. In conclusion, traveling doesn't have to be expensive, and these 10 cheapest countries to travel provide a wealth of opportunities for budget-conscious travelers. So, pack your bags and set off on an adventure to one of these amazing destinations.